Workflow at a standstill because of the Sqloledb DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix SQL Server OLE DB provider conflict for good. Get the professional Sqloledb DB fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Sqloledb DB, the SQL Server OLE DB provider. It manages the unmanaged localized data link between localized applications and localized SQL Server databases using the OLE DB protocol. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Sqloledb is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Sqloledb. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Sqloledb DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Sqloledb. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Sqloledb or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.